LoRa is a low-power, wide-area network technology that facilitates long-range communication through CSS technology while ensuring low power consumption, rendering it well-suited for IoT device communication. Since 2016, Murata has been continuously innovating diverse LoRa modules for various applications. Murata's LoRa module series encompasses many features designed for diverse applications. Notably, all modules have obtained radio regulatory certifications in major regions and comply with multi-market standards. Regarding communication bands, all types support LoRa communication in the 863 MHz to 928 MHz range. Specific models also support the 2.4 GHz ISM band or S-band. The Type 1 WL and 2DT support indoor and outdoor positioning function. The Type 2 PT supports S-band satellite communication, making it suitable for applications without terrestrial network coverage. The Type 1 SJ and 2 GT are suitable for smart city, smart factory, and smart agriculture applications. The Type 1 SJ and 1 WL has an MCU inside, enabling secondary development and rapid deployment. Other LoRa modules are transceiver-only series, offering greater cost-effectiveness and design flexibility. Applications such as smart factories, smart cities, and smart agriculture have extensive metering and sensing demands. The easy-to-deploy and low-maintenance cost LoRa modules are well-suited for these applications due to their long-range, low-power consumption feature. Type 1 SJ and Type 2 GT are recommended accordingly. The Type 1 SJ has an integrated MCU and allows secondary development by customers. Alternatively, fast deployment with Murata's LoRaWAN modem firmware can be used to accommodate various designs. Type 1 SJ's low power consumption feature could reduce maintenance costs for battery-powered metering devices. When integrated with sensors, it also supports remote data transmission and device management. For applications requiring higher data rates, the Type 2 GT supporting 2.4 GHz can be used. Its transceiver-only design reduces procurement costs and enables flexible design by integrating with various MCUs via SPI interface. Type 1 SJ and Type 2 GT can be used in smart city infrastructure, such as smart lighting and water supply systems, to enhance resource utilization efficiency. In smart agriculture, they enable wireless transmission of data such as soil nutrient levels, temperature, humidity, and other parameters. This can reduce management costs and boost production efficiency. Type 1 WL and 2 DT are designed for positioning applications. Both support passive Wi-Fi and GNSS scanning. Scanned data is uploaded to cloud servers for analysis. These modules offer an affordable, power-efficient indoor and outdoor positioning solution. The Type 1 WL supports Bluetooth 5.2 for device configuration, firmware upgrades, and expansion of other Bluetooth applications. There's a 1WL variation which integrated a dedicated GNSS chip within module, and it can be used for local position calculation. This makes it suitable for applications that demand high positioning speed and accuracy, such as asset tracking and personnel tracking. In areas without terrestrial network coverage, Murata's Type 2 PT module can be associated with specific antennas and enables data transmissions in S-band. Beyond these applications, LoRa has new usage cases recently, such as kilometer-level bidirectional voice calls without cellular networks, fast deployment of low-cost one-channel gateways for small-scale networks supporting smart homes, or extending LoRa network coverage through LoRa Relay that forward data between other nodes and gateways. Murata offers a diverse selection of LoRa products for various applications and maintains a global sales network and production facilities. This ensures stable delivery times and supply chain security. We consistently provide customers with cost-effective products and solutions that balance performance. Developers can access data sheets, development kits, and application guides on Murata's official website or contact us for technical support.